Now, I don't know if I would say CapCut has become actually very petty with their software, that even the basic, like one of the most basic things, which is exporting your videos, you would have to pay for it. Meaning that, okay, this one I would say is mainly for those that are editing on their mobile phones. Meaning that before you export a video, or whenever you export a video, you would always have the CapCut watermark on your video. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get rid of the CapCut watermark on your videos in whichever video you're using the CapCut application to edit. Now, this is not for those that are editing on their PC, because on CapCut PC you can be able to edit your videos and export it without having the CapCut watermark in it. But if you're editing on your mobile phone without having the pro version, without getting to pay for the pro version, you would definitely have the CapCut watermark in your videos. And I think they usually give like a grace of you being able to have like either 3 or 5 videos in a month without the watermark. And for a video editor that fully edits on their phones, this would likely be a problem if you edit a bunch of videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you would easily, quickly, like with no stress, remove the watermark in your YouTube videos, that is in your landscape videos and also in your vertical videos. And yeah, now without much talk, let's head into our mobile phones so that I will teach you this and you can start using it in your next videos. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you like this video, and yeah, let's head down to it. Now we are in our CapCut app. Let's say we want to edit a YouTube video, that's a long form video. We'll click on new project and then we'll import the video we want to edit. Let's say this and this. We'll click on add, and when it is added, first things first you should do is you just go to aspect ratio, click on aspect ratio, go down to 2.35:1 and click on it, because I think it's the one that has the longest size. You know what you want to do is, you can see the watermark at the top of it. You want to remove the watermark. So although this might likely take a little time, I would say it's actually worth it. So you click on good, the aspect ratio is done. You click on your video and you push it to the edge of the clip. Now you see how the video is. You push it, you have pushed it to the end. Now, while this is relevant is so that when you're done editing your videos, you will be able to get rid of the watermark. Now, what you will now have to do is you would have to push all the clips that are in the center where the watermark would appear to the end where the watermark would not come up or show. At least we all know that we are avoiding this first watermark that would come out in the video. So while you're editing your video, everything you would have to edit would be on this part where the video is, that is for your long form YouTube video, for your landscape videos. Immediately you're done editing your videos, you click on export and your video will be exported down to your photo gallery. Now the video has been exported, and we know I did not really do a lot of edit to this video so that you will be able to see how you can, like, I'm taking it that we are already done with our video edit and we have exported the video. Now what you do is, either on your Android phone or your iPhone, me, I'm using an iPhone, you go to the settings, you just click on the settings. For me, this is the settings I have. You go to crop, the crop option that you're seeing here, and then you will crop out the part where the CapCut watermark is. And you see you are still having that YouTube sized video. You now click on done, and yes, once you play your video is without the watermark, still having all the edits that you've made. Now this is for landscape videos. Now if you're going to be doing this for portrait videos, that is long form content video, short form content videos, vertical videos, what you can do is you can create a new project and then you import the video you want to edit, for example, and you click on add. When you add this to your project, you can see that the CapCut watermark is already in the video, and you still come down to aspect ratio, click on aspect ratio, and then instead of choosing the normal YouTube form or the Instagram form, you will come down to 5.8. When you click on 5.8, you can see that the video is a lot more longer and the CapCut watermark is out of the way. So what you do is When you're done exporting your video within the frame that has your video and everything you want, you still export the video. Now, doing this is not necessary if you would not get the CapCut watermark in your videos. So what you do is you go to the video you've exported, that is the vertical video you've exported for your YouTube or whichever content platform you want to use it on. You click on the settings, the same thing, you go to crop, you crop it from below, and then you also crop out the CapCut watermark that is there, and voila, you have a clean video without the watermark. I'm sure that was helpful, and you would surely be using all the CapCut features and exporting your videos without having their watermark in your videos. I will do see you in my next video, and I'm sure you've subscribed to the channel. Yeah, peace.